Hello everyone, this is Vanu here. Hope you all are in a happy mood. I certainly am. Cause this Sunday we are gonna have the 999th chapter of this epic story One Piece. Man, we are getting real close to this 1000 chapter mark. Now, the last time I checked, if we keep getting a chapter every week, we'll hit that mark by the end of November. No, don't think about that too much because obviously we are going to get breaks. We normally get breaks, not only Oda takes breaks, but we have Shonen Jump breaks, we have holiday breaks. And after this, during this time, due to COVID, we are gonna have even more breaks. So maybe we can have Oda publish the 1000th chapter before Christmas ending this year, or he may publish the 1000th chapter at the starting of the next year. We'll see how Oda has planned out things. But before that, we should get on discussing about the predictions I have made for the 999th chapter. Tomorrow the scans are going to be out. So before that, I wanted to make a quick video pre- predicting the stuff which might take place in the next chapter. So if you are interested, do check out the complete video. Now getting towards the prediction for chapter 990. In the last chapter, we had Oda gather all the straw hats in one place. So that had me thinking of mainly two ways Oda might take the story in the next chapter. Now, I might be completely wrong and Oda might take a completely different route. After all, this is Oda we are talking about. He is completely unpredictable. He might be like next chapter, Reverie. But these are what predictions. We'll look into these. Firstly, I want to talk about with the gathering of Straw Hats, we had Luffy who declared that he'll be making his way towards Kaido and asked his crew members to back him up, clear his way, so we can have all the Straw Hats going up against Big Mom. In the last chapter, we had Frankie who was all set to fight Big Mom. He had his reticle beam aimed right at her face. We had Jinbei who rolled her away with his awesome fishman karate, judo, whirlpool shoulder throw, and Nico Robin used her Hana Hana Nomi's power to roll her away. So that was very interesting. And Big Mom is now all infuriated with the Straw Hats. So there's no way she's gonna let them leave alone. So we can have either Big Mom trying to stop Luffy towards making his way towards Kaido, and all the Straw Hats stopping Big Mom from stopping Luffy. Now that's quite the battle royale I am talking about. But with all the Straw Hats gathering, we can have another possibility that Oda might be thinking to gather all the chess pieces present on the Wano Island, the Onigashima Island. Here I am talking about Eustace Captain Kidd, Trafalgar D. Waterlaw, Basil Hawkins, and of course DX Drake. Bringing all those characters together in one place is just gonna create a havoc. There will be an awesome battle royale. There will be a massive battle royale, I must say, because we can have a battle between Kid and King. We can have him go up against Queen, but Queen is a little interesting. We'll get into that in a bit. We can also have DX Drake fighting some of the Toby Ropos. Toby Ropo might finally appear back. They are supposed to be very strong dinosaurs, but they are still missing from the picture. So we can have all the Toby Ropos gathered there. Now, as I was saying, Queen is a bit interesting because he's not actively taking part in the battle. He stopped Luffy and Zoro from making their way towards Kaido, but during all the havoc which was created in the last two chapters, Queen was just standing there doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Zoro was standing right next to Queen and he did nothing until they made their way towards Kaido using Luffy using his Gomu Gomu no rocket. When he was flying, Queen finally stopped them. But before that, Queen was just chilling along with Zoro for some reasons. And you all may remember when the Tobiropos were first introduced, we had Who's who was all planning to fight one of the calamities. So there is a possibility that if the Tobiropo gathered there, they may attack Queen because Queen is, like I said, a little weird. It's not like he's not supporting Kaido. He's full support Kaido, but he's not actively taking part. So the calamity the Tobiropo were talking about, maybe it was Queen. We can see how that goes down in the upcoming chapters. Now, this was one way Oda might take the next chapter, gathering all those pieces for a battle royale. Other way might be we can see the fight between the Minks and Kaido. Last time, last time, if you remember, we had Jack may disappear on top of the Skull Mountain when the Minks were all ready to fight Kaido. They were all going Sulong. I mean, they didn't go Sulong that yet, but they were about to. And the Minks already had animosity towards Jack for destroying their home island Zo. So the Minks are going to fight Jack. We might have a scene with the Minks attacking Jack. Now Jack is very powerful and very durable. His devil fruit grants him special endurance. He is a mammoth after all. So he might take out the Minks, and we can have Nekomamushi and Inurashi going up against Jack, or the Minks may in the Sulong form might be strong enough to hold back Jack, and we can have the Akazai Samurai all going up against Kaido. So that'd be also very interesting to see how it goes down. But the other possibility is also very likely true, that Jack might completely destroy the Minks even while they are in their Sulong form. So we can have Inurashi and Nekomamushi who vowed to get their revenge on Jack for destroying their home island. Finally, they might be stepping up and getting their oaths fulfilled. They might attack Jack full on, and that'd be very interesting fight to see. Now, you all may remember that when Drake was first revealed to be the member of Sword, he was contacting Kobe, and he might have told them Kobe about Luffy being present on the Onigashima Island, and we are very well aware of the friendship of Kobe and Luffy. So there's also a possibility that Kobe might have asked Drake to work with Luffy, and we can have him acting Luffy, saying that I am a friend of Kobe and I'll be working together with you in this fight. So we can have Drake fighting Queen. There are many contenders who are all set to fight Queen, so Queen is gonna have his hand full for this, I'd say. Now, these were all the predictions I had for the next chapter. Let's see which way Oda takes it. But finally, before ending this video, I had one little thing to talk about. What is up with Orochi? Is he actually really dead? Because we have not gone back to his head for, I guess, 3 to 4 chapters. How long has it been when Oda just killed him off? So now I'm thinking that maybe Orochi is actually dead. He was not the main villain. He was not the main focus of the battle. So Oda was also trying to convey that message that Orochi is just a pawn in this game. So and he was eliminated just like one. So I all good work, I'd say, Orochi, for what all he did in this arc. Whatever. Now these were my predictions for chapter 990. You might have different thoughts. Do comment down those. And if you like this one, do hit like and comment. And to be updated on future videos, do hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. This was all, everyone. Hope you all have a good day or night, everybody, for whichever time zone you are in. Signing out.